There's a particular kind of tension that comes from trying to hold everything together, managing outcomes, anticipating reactions, carrying responsibility for things that refuse to be controlled. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote points to a simple release that often restores calm faster than effort ever could. Calm returns when you release what you can't control anyway. This quote reminds us that much of our inner unrest comes from misplaced effort. We try to manage outcomes, timing, and other people's choices, even when those things are fundamentally outside our reach. The mind stays alert, scanning for problems it cannot solve. When you release what you can't control, energy returns to where it belongs. The body softens, the breath deepens, attention shifts from managing the impossible to engaging with what's actually available. Calm isn't created by fixing everything. It's restored when unnecessary effort stops. Letting go here isn't resignation. It's discernment. It's recognizing the difference between responsibility and overreach. When effort is placed wisely, steadiness follows. You show up more fully where your presence matters, without carrying what was never yours to hold. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one thing you've been mentally trying to manage that isn't truly within your control. Name it. Then allow yourself to set it down, even briefly. See what settles when you do. Carry that release with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to control everything to feel steady. Calm often returns the moment effort is placed where it belongs. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Letting go restores balance. And peace grows when effort is well placed. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.